Okay. Welcome po ngayon po for first semifinals matchup between Airport United and Team CAS. Airport United dubbed in white and blue combination. Sa kabilang Team CAS po is golden brown combination po yan. Headed by their own coaches. Si Coach Rocomoro po sa CAS po. Sa kaibalanan po si Nadera at si Scott naman po sa Team Airport United. Welcome muli po sa ating po semifinals matchup para po sa Airport United versus CAS. The winner of this game will now book its first final seat sa ating third season Aviation Friendly League, the Basa Flying League. Maraming salamat po, and before that, our from our sponsors. This game is brought to you by the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hari ng Padala and Thread and Needles, tailoring po yan. And sama na po natin po ang SBB Pilipinas to ensuring the game will be done in a neat and orderly fashion. Sama na po natin po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Alamin po natin at let's just wait po ang kailang pagbabalik po. A new blood, new battles po para sa PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, first quarter. I think first quarter will start now. Airport United versus CAS. Airport United po ranked number 4 and CAS po is ranked number 1. And after this po is ranked number 2 and ranked number 3 po ang In-Flights versus ano na po natin yan, ang Extreme Bowlers. Okay, we're just waiting now for the officials to start. Yung unang whistle kumbaga. Okay, first quarter sa CAS. Si Tan, si Roldan, Lumawag, Canton, and si Arnado. Sa kabila si Scott, si Escobedo, Nadera, Coster at si Grama. Yan po first quarter matchup po yan. Wala na pong briefing po sa referee. Alam na nila pag ang matatalo po ay uuwi po ng luan at mananalo po is going to the championships. Okay, first quarter, first half matchup na Escobedo and Lumawag. Eto na. And jump ball now started already. Nako ng bola, ayun. Number 4, kapos, pero may swabet ang ginawa kaagad ni Lumawag. Number 15, Escobedo, called for the foul. Number 4, shooting for 2, Lumawag. Lumawag, number 4, shooting for 2. CAS now, first shot. It's out. Second shot po tayo, jumpers ready mga boss. Second shot po tayo, jumpers ready po tayo. Lumawag second throw, jumpers ready, and it's out also. Pero Arnado, poked up loose ball now, and si Lumawag, number 4, Tan, dictating the pace. Canton driving into Tan, thinking 3, no good. Number 4 naka-rebound, pinayungan, ang lalim, and nando kay Scott, ding the shot to Nadera, 2 points Nadera. 2 points Melvin Nadera. And now Tan now on the attack. Tan, ayun kay Lumawag, malakas pero pumasok. Lumawag, 2 points po, 2 all po tayo at 9:17 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Eto na Escobedo, to Nadera again, Escobedo, ayun, second Coster, doon ko sa ilalim, malakapos, and save ball. Same ball po nangyari po. Touch last by CAS. Scott for the inbound at 8:58 remaining. First quarter action. Grama and 1. 3 points. Grama 3 points. Lumawag to Tan. Tan to Canton. May binababa ang bola. Binababa ang bola. And now Tan. Canton. Arnado. Tan for 3. Kapos. Coster, Escat, hinabol ni Roldan. Ay kay Neville Nadedera, no good. That could bring the house down. Now, lumawag, malakas ang pasa, pero nakuha po, and now Roldan, sa ilalim, Arnado, malalim, whoop, si Daisy, double dribble po ang tinapo ng referee kay Arnado. Balik muli po sa Airport United ang bola. You're watching now the first semifinals match. Coster, and to Nadera thinking 3, nope, ayaw niya. Coster, foul.
Foul number 3.
Okay, ito na si Ariola. Makakasama. Ariola, sumama mo ako dito. Mag-comment ka nga rin.
Mga naglalaro dyan, mga legends.
Mga legends, ha? O Thunders. And now, tapos. 2 points. Okay, 5-4 po tayo. Lamang pa rin po ang Airport United. Escat, may guard duty kagad. Arnado, binabantayan si Escat. Ang kanilang veterano Airport United, may holding foul. Foul on number 21, Arnado. 7:19 remaining. Ariola, any word po Ariola para sa ating second game po? Sige po.
Sana manalo.
Okay.
Para diretso sa finals na.
Yan, tama yan. Are you surprised na ang extreme bowlers na mga kalaban nyo, or you're expecting both of them will challenge you? Ano? Di ko sumagot. Ano?
Sorry.
Are you surprised sa extreme bowlers sa mga kalaban nyo, or expecting one fail sana? Or ano, inasa yung both teams mga kalaban nyo? Either one of them.
Medyo na-surprise kami, pero siyempre, bilog ang bola.
Okay, good. Sige.
Hindi natin alam kung sinong nakakalaro.
Lumawag, first shot. No good still. And still, pero para sa amin, you will expect your best game for tonight talaga, di ba? Yan ang taasahan namin sa iyo. Eh si ibang mga players like Mungkal, masama natin 'yon o ano? Naka-duty si Mungkal. And Nadera, 2 points Nadera.
Mungkal si Enteng.
Si Enteng makakasama rin. Okay. Good luck din sa inyo.
Sana manalo.
Tingnan natin, mag-adjust din kayo ngayon. Chudilak, si De Rose. Escat, triple team already. Now to Nadera again for 2 points Nadera raking in all the points now for Team Airport United, ha? Nadera po yata, sila po si Ariola. Okay, Matinso, maghahanda ka na rin, mentally and physically po, mamaya. And si Hilwa, magsasama rin? Yung Hilwa nyo. Lumilipat si Hilwa. And Coster to Nadera again. Coster sa ilalim, and tumapak sa linya. Balik sa kasambola. Si Hirwa pala, nakabakasyon. Nakalipad.
Yung isa, yung matangkad, si Alex.
Yun ang pupunta. Alex, si Grub. Ayos. Okay, 12-6 lamang po ng kalahati. Sineskat ngayon at 5 minutes certain remaining. Winding now to the 5 minutes mark of the game. And for a short second, the lineup is now ready now. And to Nadera again. 2 points, Nadera raking all the necessary points para si Airport United. Nandiyan naman si Tan. No good. Nadera rebound battle. And who's ball rep? Okay, touchless by Nadera. And calling now all the second lineup now. Second starters already. May bumabati yata dito ngayon. Teka lang. Shoutout daw. Malabo na mata ko. Pasensya na po. Shoutout kay Babagay number 1. Player ng Korea at Thailand. Sabi ni Manson. Ayos. Very good. Manson, nasan ka rito? Hinahanap ka rito. Shoutout kay Babagay. Player daw ng Thailand tsaka Korea.
Na-injure lang yun. Pwede naglaro sa Qatar.
Okay. Okay, symbol now. Ito na, ang kanyang mga shock troopers. Rivera. Serrano positioning. And rebound battle won by Number 55, yung kanilang main man dati na nagpanalo rin. Si Cortez. Babagay. Salud. Now to Mr. Ilaw. No good. Salud. Rebound battle won by number 15. Number 15, binababa ang bola. Matayas. And now Rivera. No good. One more time, Rivera. Wala pa rin. And Serrano. Power rebound by Serrano. Si Daisy traveling called on Serrano. Serrano called on traveling game. Nabalik muli po ang bola po sa Team Airport United. 4 minutes 30 remaining. First quarter action pa lang po ito pero mainit na. Sing init ng hapon kanina. And now Babagay. Soliano fumbled and tumbled. And balik muli po ang bola po sa Cas. And timeout na called by Team Cas. Okay, Cas now we have now do some adjustments already. You're watching now the semifinals matchup now for Team Cas and Airport United. Ito po yung naglaban last season sa championship. Now out of twist and events po, sila po ang naglalaban ngayon sa semifinals. And waiting po the winner of course ng in-flights and extreme bowlers. And now si Mr. 26, Rivera. Binababa ngayon, Rivera. Contreras, Serrano, Contreras, binabantay na, Serrano. Thinking 3. No good. Rebound, battle by 15. Wala pa rin. And nakuha ni Cortez ang bola. Babagay. Double teamed. Ilaw, Soliano! 2 points Soliano, 2 points Serrano. Babagay. Intercepting Serrano. Binuhat ang binabantayan. Ang binuhat ang tapagbantay. Serrano shooting for 2. Yan po yung kanilang ladies po. Ma'am, hello, kaway po kayo. Serrano shooting for 2. First shot. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo para kay Serrano. Number 53, Mr. Serrano. JS. 53, Serrano. Pops up. And it's out. Salud, naka-rebound. Babagay. Binapatay ni number 15. Matayas. And lost the ball. Almost. Lost the ball. Nakuha din ang counter steal. Soliano, binababa ang bola. Soliano. Turn around shot. And a foul. Fishing for a foul on number 26. Soliano shooting for 2. Soliano shooting for 2 po tayo. Laglagang match po tayo nito. Win or go home po for both teams. The winner of this game will book now the first championship seat. Soliano, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Soliano. Wala pong tapon dapat po dito ngayon. And early entry. Balik muli po sa Team Cas ang bola. Okay, now Contreras, number 9. Rivera. Binababa ang bola. Kanilang point guard ngayon. Binaban del Soliano. Sila nakalusot. And floater shot. 2 points, Rivera. 2 points, Corpus. Salud. Ilaw. Babagay. Floater shot. No good. 20 na rebound. And Rivera. Intercepted. And Soliano. Ilaw. Traveling violation. Itinawag. Too little, too late. Half steps are out. Okay, ito po tayo ng Solian. JS now against Babagay. Para magkapatid. Pag titignan natin. Magkamukha kasi. Rivera. Number 20 rebound. That's Balbin. Intercepted. Nagkaroon po ng traffic. Balbin. Yep. Foul called. Parang magkapatid sila. Magkamukha. May resemblance. Okay, again now foul on Cas Balbin. Rivera, driving strong. Floater shot, malakas. Foul on Rivera for sure. Wala pa. Rivera called for a foul. Rivera called for a foul. Wala pang penalty po yan. Soliano, Jason Soliano. Soliano. Babagay against Rivera. Ilaw. Babagay. 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 Pops up kay Salud. Nice. Nice guard by Serrano. And now, no good. Number 17 still finding his range. And now, Babagay. Ilaw. Ilaw. Floater shot. Serrano. Tapping to number 15 again. Matayas. Rivera. Floater shot. And it's out. Corpus sa rebound. Hop. Stepping on the line yata. Stepping on the line nga. Sabi ng referee. Tumapak sa linya. Okay. Contreras, Balbin, binabantay ng 4. Good ball, good ball. Rivera, floater shot, wala. And nakuha ni Ilaw, scaffold. And held ball. Held ball situation. It's Airport United. Airport United ball. Airport United ball. Next held ball situation will be for Cass. Okay, now. And now to Babagay. Nakuha ng pick. And kay Babagay. Babagay. Nice stop by Balbin. And now kay 15-16 Rivera. 2 points. Okay, now Ilaw to Babagay. Tap away. Early. Okay, timeout of called by Airport United. Hindi nila gugustuhan nangyari sa team nila ngayon. The trapping is in. Coach, na mukha na authorized na for the trapping po sa kanilang kalaban. 53 seconds remaining, 16-11 score. Lamang na po ng 5 ang Airport United. You're watching here the semifinals match between Airport United and Cass. Up this po is In-Flights and Extreme Bowlers. Load muna po tayo ng Cass habang naglaro po sila. Okay. Same ball po tayo. Ilaw for the inbound. Escat, taas sa labas kasi. Ilaw. Ilaw. Corpus. Babagay for 3. Now. Again. On the attack. Foul. Anspa foul kay Soliano called. Anspa foul called on Soliano, meaning 2 free throws and a possible ball possession. Okay, Matayas, number 15, shooting for 2. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. It's out. And plus ball possession po ng Cass. Balbin for the inbound. Balbin, inbounding. Rivera. Number 9, Contreras. Rivera. Rivera, matake. Contreras and 15. Matayas, 2 points. Ayan na. He find all his range already. Matayas, nakita na kanyang range. Soliano. Soliano. Okay, same ball. Same ball and Babagay. Babagay. Babagay against number 15. Ilaw. Ilaw against Balbin. Ayun, kay Babagay. 2 points Babagay. Nice one. Kumuha ng nakuha ng opening sa Babagay. And intercepted. And Babagay. Sayang. Okay, first quarter is finished. The score is 18-14. Lamang pa rin po ang Team Airport United. Number 1 is CAS. Number 4 is Airport United. The winner of this game will automatically qualify for the finals next week. Kaya kinakailangan walang tapong po dito. Dapat lahat po is all in. All it counted for. Nandiyan rin po pala si Jepox Carmona, maglalaro din pala. Si Kalilong naman, of course, number 6. Sa kabila naman, okay, nagpalit po sila. Now, they will now go for the starters. Isa, JS, Tan, Canton, and Lumawag. Okay. Canton. Okay, Canton, yung kanilang wala yung kanilang Mr. Macho Man. Naka yata? Ha? Naka-book. Si Bautista. Nakalipad? Lipad din. Excuse me, ha? Okay, Canton, inbounding. The score is 18-14. Another 10 minutes again. Second quarter action. Canton again from Tan. Now, Lumawag, Canton. And now to Mr. Tan. No, it's good, no good. Nakuha ni Scott na bola. Scott. Ang isarnado, Scott. Umatake, nawala ang bola, and plum ball. Golden ball. Okay, Canton again. To Tan. To Canton. Canton to Tan to Canton. And Canton to Tan. Scaling the defense. And to Lumawag. Pops up, kapos. Nako ni Kalilong Bora. Bola. And now Scott against Arnado. Now to Mr. Escobedo. 2 points Escobedo. Nice guard sana yung Lumawag, pero Escobedo let it fly and let it go. 8 minutes 55 remaining. Second quarter action. Canton almost had the ball. Had the play. Now, number 6. Ayun, walang pinasahan si number 6. Okay, balik muli po sa CAS ang bola. The score is 20-14. 8 minutes 33 remaining. Isa for the inbound. Canton. Naka-receive ng bola kay Isa. Canton driving strong, pops up, no good. Now Sarnado, and who's ball rep? Same ball daw, sabi ng referee. Okay, change po. White ball. It's white ball. White ball po tayo nyo, number 6. Number 6 is Scott. Escobedo again. Floater shot, kapos. Ayan. Floater shot, kapos. Now to Mr. Tan. Tan to Canton. To Tan again. Tan. Driving strong. No good. Nako ni Narnado. Canton naman for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Power move. No good. May foul nga kay Kalilong. Tan shooting for 2. Good evening po sila po. This is your first game for tonight already. It's ongoing already. And si Tan no shooting for 2. Samson Isgabe is watching. Shout out Roy Bustos. LC sign. Nasi Bustos. Okay, no? Oh. May nagsabi rito, pre. Mark Lopez. Tan. Pops up. It's in 2015. Laman ng 5. Number 6. Jonas. Grama. Switching. Escobedo. No good. Isa. Arnado. And Canton. Pinabasketan. Bagay kay Arnado. Canton. Nakuha ni number 6 ang bola. Nice intercept and a foul called. Blocking foul called on Canton.
Foul number 3.
Okay, shoutout kay Broy Bustos, sabi ni Mark Lopez. And also, ang score, Sir Cortega, 2015. Hopsy Daisy, backing violation. Backing violation, sabi ng referee. Okay, 2015 po, Sir, ang score. Sir Cariaga. Sir Cariaga, score po is 2015. Laman po ang Airport United ng 5. Okay, Canton. Now to Tan. Tan again. Tan. Driving strong. Tan. Naipit ng konti. Canton. Nakuha ng pops up. Nice try but no good. Okay, number 6. Kick pass. Escobedo intercepted. Lumawag. And one play. Who's Paul rep?
Foul number 27.
Again, Kalilong court for the foul. Lumawag, bonus free throw, 20-15 na score po natin. Chance not to make the lead now. The deficit to 2 points. Lumawag. Yes, sirree. Basket made. Again, Scott against Arnado. Scott, Arnado. Scott ulusot. Scott. Foul called.
Who's called red?
Foul number 4, Lumawag.
Foul number 4.
Scott shooting for 2. Scott shooting for 2. Scott, 2 points for 2. It's in. Second free throw jumpers ready po tayo para kay Scott. 5 minutes 56 remaining. Second free throw. It's out. And rebound. Brown ball or golden ball. Golden ball po tayo, golden ball. Canton receiving the ball from Tan. Bajores watching also. 2 points 2 points Canton. Scott, wala. Nice guard by Lumawag. 2 points Lumawag. Okay, change pair na po tayo. First did not tasted by Cass. SG. Kalilong. Wala pa rin. Lumawag sa ilalim. Scott. Foul. Isa called for the foul. Scott shooting for 2.
Foul number 4.
Scott shooting for 2. Scott shooting for 2 pero okay, now they will now go now for the second starters. Okay, now Rivera is in.
Number 4.
Justice Serrano is in. Roldan, Balbin at si number 9 Contreras. Sa kabila na po, of course, Carmona, Salud, Muñoz at si Babagay. After this, Scott ipapalitan din. 22 all. Scott. Last shot. It's out. And Serrano. And now Rivera. 2 points Rivera. And Scott now. Lalabas muna. Ilaw para kay Scott. Okay, Rivera. Nagbigay muna ng kalabangan sa kanila. 24-22. 4 minutes 53 remaining. Second quarter action. Babagay. For 3. Out. Ilaw. Foul. On.
What's ball rep?
Who's foul rep?
Number 9.
Number 9. That's Contreras. Ilaw shooting for 2. Chance to tie up the ball game again.
Number 9.
Kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready. Ilaw, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Basket good. Okay, balik tayo nyon. 1 point lead lang ang Kalamangan. Roldan. Rivera. Ay sir, gusto po sir. Welcome back sir. Rivera. Floater shot. Roldan. Number 9. Rivera again. Rivera. Rivera. Pinapantayan. Number 9. No good. Balbin. Roldan. Rivera. Number 9. Nandun si Balbin. Nandun si Babagay. Babagay ano muna? Babagay. 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 Foul! Ano news?
What's ball rep?
Samson Gabi, thank you po sir. Osim Barantes, sabi ng Osim Barantes, shout out kay Julius Babagay. Roldan for the inbound. Rivera. Rivera. Contreras. Balbin out of bounds. Pero same ball daw sabi ng referee.
40 points, sir. 40.
23-24.
Back again, 40.
Munoz, binabate si Serrano. Babagay versus Serrano. Balbin, nako ng pick. Serrano! And may foul, sabi ng referee. Just a foul called. 23-24. Now Serrano for 2.
Shot.
Serrano shooting for 2. Serrano shooting for 2. Per shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. JS versus JB, sabi ni Barantes. JS. Pops up. It's in. Both shots made. Salud. Nakakuha ni Roldan. Rivera again. 2 points Rivera. Babagay. Foul.
What's ball? Number 9.
Rocamora, Coach Rocamora is using now their vaunted trapping play. Okay. Timeout called by Airport United. Serrano versus Julius Babagay. Kaya pala, JS versus JB. 3 minutes 25 remaining.
Birthday party for penalty.
Ilaw, inbounding. 23-28, laman na pula 5 ang team Cas. Ilaw, Babagay. Babagay, nakuha ng pick. Babagay, pops up. Bang! 2 points. Perimeter shot is in for Babagay. Now to Serrano. 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 Serrano, floater shot, no good. Nandun si Ilaw, and foul called on number 9. And penalty situation already now. Cas. 2 shots awarded now for Mr.
Number 9, personal foul.
Number 9, third personal foul. Aga. Ilaw. First shot. Shoutout po kay Titong Mac. Sabi ni Barantes. Barantes, nasan ka pala? Ba't wala ka rito? Ilaw, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's in. Okay, 26-28 ang score po natin yon. Serrano. Rivera. Serrano again. Palpal. And Rivera naman. No good. Rebound by Salud. Salud. No good. Roldan. Number 9. No good. Babagay. Palpal. Stepping on the line. Nice guard by Julius. By Justin Serrano rather. Babagay. Blocked by Justin. And now to Mr. Roldan. Roldan. Kick pass kay Rivera. Kapos. Ilaw naka-rebound. Babagay. Umatake muli. Babagay. Wala pa rin. Malalim. Roldan. Palpal. Smothered by Ilaw. Smothered by Ilaw.
Nakatalon sa ilaw ah.
Kaya nga eh. Lumiliwanag ang buhay ngayon. Calvin, JS. Shout out po kay Mr. RG Barantes. 2 points, 26-30. And now to Carmona Jepox. Malakas. Two points, Rivera. I minute 5 remaining. Ilaw. 26-32. Laman ng 6. Salud. 2 points, Salud. 28-32. Laman ng 4. Angkas. Rivera. Driving strong. Rivera, binabantayan. Foul. Ilaw. Foul on Ilaw. Rivera for sure. Shooting for 2 kay Rivera.
Number 11. First personal foul on number 11.
Rivera shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Rivera second shot by Rivera. Rivera second shot. It's out. Salud naka-rebound. Babagay. Zigzagging. Carmona, Jepox. Munoz. 2 points. From the back. Backcourt play. Ginawa nila. 38-33. 10 seconds remaining. Pumaul pa, sumabit pa. 2 seconds remaining. 2 shots kay Serrano.
Foul number 12.
2 shots kay Serrano.
Personal foul
Number
number 12.
12. Called for a foul si Jepox. And JS per shot. Kapos. Last shot now. 2 seconds remaining. Last shot. Power up. It's in. Last shot. 38-34. Out! Sir Austin, sir, laman po ang cast ng 4. 30-34. 2 seconds remaining. Second quarter. No good. And that's it. Okay, halftime po tayo yun. We'll be back po after 5 minutes. The score is 30-34. Laman po ang CAS ng 4. You're watching right now CAS versus Airport United. And after this po is of course In-Flights versus Extreme Bowlers. Yan po yan, magandaan na po kayo. Where are you now, ha? Pero habang po yan, manood muna po tayo ng CAS versus Airport United. Hey, those who's watching, shoutout po sa inyo. Sige. Okay, antay-antay lang po tayo, ha. Nangalay na. Okay, back to the ball game. Ito na, third quarter action. Okay, Okay, sa CAS po, sa CAS is Serrano, number 15, si Tan, si Canton, at si Lumawag. Sa kabila naman, ito na. Of course, si number 6, si Babagay, si Kalilong, si Escobedo, at si Scott. Okay, Jong now for the inbound. Bine-verify sino magpo-possess po ng bola. Okay. Baliktad po pala, nag-jumble po si kanina, kaya ang head ball po yun is sa kanya po yun. Okay, Matay Sander, number 15. Inbounding. Start. Canton. Tan for 3. Bang! 3 points Tan. Tan, 3 points. Opening out the quarter, 30-37 score. Jong. Escobedo, Scott. Scott, binabantayan. Scott. Jong. Kalilong. Kapos. And to Canton. Canton. To Tan. Tan. Lumawag. 2 points lumawag. (30-39) Lumalagwa na po ang Team CAS. Scott. Kalilong. Foul.
Oscar.
Canton called for the foul.
3.
Yeah, that's Canton. 3. Kalilong shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Serrano. Called by Jong.
All number 6.
Serrano now inbounding again. Receiving the inbound from Canton to Serrano. JS. Justin Serrano. Serrano. Canton. Tan to Canton. Canton. Number 4, lumawag. Tan. Wala. And Scobido naka-rebound. Escat. Escat lost the ball. And now to Tan. Tan. Canton. Tan and Canton connection, ha. That Tan pops up. No good. And lumawag, lost the ball. 8 minutes 15 remaining. 30-39 score po natin yun. Jong. Escobido and one play made. Escobido and one play made. Ito Escobido. Who's for rep?
All over.
Number 4, called for a foul. Escobido, bonus free throw. Chance now to trim the lead down to 6 points. Escobido. Escobido pops up. It's in. Okay, it's in. And now to Canton. Canton. Tan to Canton. Serrano. Positioning. Now Tan against the Scott. Lost the ball. Offense. Nice guard by Serrano. And substitution na Coster po Babagay. Pasok yata sila eh. Canton, now Tan, now to Justin, to Serrano. And now to Tan, against Scott. Lumawag, 2 points lumawag. Nice cut by Lumawag from behind. 33-41, lamang pa rin po ng 6. Not 6, 8 po ang team Cas. Jong, nakuha ni Serrano bola. Matayas. Serrano. No good. Nakuha ni Lumawag ang bola. Lumawag. And one play made kay Lumawag. Basket count. Basket count. And now Lumawag shooting for 2. Jepox reporting in na. Okay, Jong, labas muna para kay Jepox. Okay, now to Lumawag. First shot. It's in. 33-44, 11 po ang kalamangan po nila. The biggest leader in the ball game. And Cas now looking not to pull away now in this game. Scott. 2-point Scott. (35-44), laban ng Siam. Serrano versus Scott. Tan for 3. No good. Coster. Mali pinasahan. Ed. Nako ni Scott. Palpal. Rivera. No good. Rebound ni Kalilong. Jepox. Scott.
All over. 6.
Number 6 called for the foul. 6. May 6 ba? Scott shooting for 2. Scott, first shot. It's good. 36-44, laban ng 8. Second shot ni Scott. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Scott, naku, walang pinasahan. Good ball. Napakisara ng bola. Foul on Calino again.
17.
Shoutout po kay Babagay from Kazakhstan. Pambira yan. 5:55 remaining. Melvin, binabantay si Serrano. Rivera. Melvin, Serrano. Nakalusot. Rivera. No good. Lumawag. Wala pa rin. Lumawag palpal. May sumabit. Cylinder daw, sabi. And lumawag shooting
All
for
number 9,
2.
substitution.
Lumawag shooting for 2. Okay, nice game po kay number 15. Number 9, pumasok muna para kay number 15. Lumawag shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready. Kapos. Nakakuha ni Custer. And now to Scott. 36-44 ang lang laban. 8 lang po yan. Scott, binababa ang bola. Scott. Pops up for 3. No good. And nakuha ni Salud. Who's pal rep? Warning called. At Mark Earls. May nagpapashoutout pala. Scott driving. Travel elimination called. Shoutout kay Rolin Mercado at Marl Earl Salting. Sabi ni JC Menjola. 36-44. Wala lang po yan. 4:48 remaining. Serrano kalusot. Serrano driving strong. Foul again. Scott called for the foul.
All number 27.
27 called for the foul. Serrano shooting for 2.
Second personal foul, number 27.
Second personal pa lang yung Scott. Serrano, first shot. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready. Final throw. Pops up. It's out. And rebound, D. Custer. Scott. Nagbababa ng bola. Scott. Offensive foul on Scott.
Offensive foul, number 27.
Offensive foul on Scott. Eto na. Serrano again, binababa ang bola. Serrano, binabantayan. Walang pinasahan. Dito lang, Kalampre, huwag ka na mag-EK. Sa amin ng Royal Mercado. Huwag ka na mag-EK. Okay, Jepox. Binababa ang bola. 4 minutes remaining. This game now is getting more interesting every minute. Salud, 2 points. Nice cut ni Salud. Now, Serrano. Binabatay sila. And a foul called on Melvin Nadera.
All number 7, substitution.
Okay, substitution muna po tayo yun. Sino nilabas? Okay, Jepox nilabas muna para kay Babagay. Penalty situation po ang Airport United. 38-44. Serrano shooting for 2. First shot, Serrano. It's in. Jolens. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Serrano. Jumpers ready. It's both baskets made. 38-46. Lamang na muli po ang Cavs. Ruling Mercado, good luck sa inyo late game niyo later. Babagay. No good. Isa naka-rebound. Serrano kumuha ng bola. Babagay Serrano. Lumawag. Rivera lumawag and nakuha ni number 9. No good. One more time. 2 points. Lumawag 2 points. Scott nagmamadali. Scott shooting for 2. Lamang muli po ng 10 ang Cavs. Okay, Balbin, good game po para kay Lumawag. Balbin, form Lumawag. Naano yata, nalog. Scott is in. Second shot, jumpers ready. 39-48, laman ng Siyam. Scott, second throw, it's in. Both baskets in. Again, Serrano, binababa ang bola. Rivera, 2 shots given again kay Rivera.
Ball 7, second shot.
Okay.
2-7, second personal foul.
Elvin out muna para kay Jong. Ilaw muna para kanino? Para kay Custer.
Penalty and white.
Rivera pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready para kay Mr. Rivera. Pops up, it's in. It's inside. Okay, 48-49. Scott. Foul.
Line ball. Foul.
Side ball lang daw, side ball. Scott, no good. Nice try. Serrano. Number 9, palpal. Babagay, nagmamadali. Scott, ilaw, babagay, palpal. Babagay, salud. Naka-rebound, 2 points salud. Rivera, binababa ang bola. 42-49, laban ng 7. Jong against Rivera. And number 9, Serrano. 2 points Serrano. Hoop shot made by Serrano. Salud. For 3. No good. Poor shot selection. Okay, Arnado, pasok muna para kay Isa. Quality game kay Isa, number 34. Rivera. 42-51, laman ng Siyam na naman ang Cavs. Serrano against Babagay. Double team ang binabagyan ng Rivera. 3 points Rivera. Rivera 3 points. And 1 play pa. Again, lamang na po ng 12 ang Cavs. JS now for the bonus free throw. And timeout muna po ang Airport United. Sabi rito, Ruling Mercado, good luck sa game ni later, sabi ni Mr. Menjola. And also sabi ni Ruling Mercado, dito pa kami pre, wag kang mag-EK. Ito pala. Okay, back to the ball game. Muli po tayo yun. Serrano for the bonus free throw. 14-point lead advantage already. Serrano bonus shot. It's in 42-57. The 15-point lead deficit now posted now by Cass over Airport United. Kalilong, Jong, Salud, Kalilong, Babagay, Ilaw, 2 points Ilaw. 42 seconds remaining. Serrano, 53. Binababa ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Serrano for 3. No good. Kalilo naka-rebound. Eto Babagay nagmamadali. Babagay. Walang nabulas ang bola. And foul.
Was foul. 20.
Foul on
Third personal foul, number 17.
number 17. Third personal na po yan. Again, JS na for the line. Third pa lang. JS. And pumasok na naman. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 11 seconds remaining. Eric Grama para kay Babagay. 11 seconds remaining on the game clock. Jong. Salud. Kapos. Salud. Wala pa rin. Wala na. Okay, we'll be back po para sa fourth and final quarter. The score is 44-59. Lamang po ng 15 ang CAS or Qatar Aviation Services. Fine, bro. We're just waiting now for the fourth and final quarter. Okay, fourth. Okay, game start, fourth and final quarter. Set ng play do, sabi ni easy lang kamo, sabi ni Barantes. Set down ang play. Scott. Babag. Carmona. Jepox. Scott for 3. Take 3 kay Tan. Against Tan. Scott for 3.
Call on number 23.
44-59. Pinapahinga muna si JS. Okay, Tan, Balbin, Lumawag, Canton at Roldan. Scott for 3. First shot. It's out. Kablanan po, Kalilong, Scott, Jepox, Escobedo at si Grama. Pops up. It's in. Last throw. Jumpers ready. 45-59. Last shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. 46-59. Labang na 13 ang Cas. Roldan. Carmona. Lumawag thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Binabantayan. Canton. Pops up. No way out. Pero pasok. Carmona. Kalilong. Ayun. And one play pa para kay Balbin. Balbin called for the foul. Jepox.
Second personal foul.
Jepox shooting for 2.
Substitution.
Jepox shooting for the bonus free throw. Okay, Serrano para kay Balbin. Coach Racomara sends some concern already. Baby Deshaun rally now. Being brewed now by Airport United. Kaya pinasok na si Justin. Si Serrano. Nangyari. Wait lang, medyo bini-verify lang po sila. Wait lang po, verify muna po, verify. Okay. Scooby-Doo. Carmona bonus free throw. Pops up. It's in. 49-61. 12. Canton. Tan. Against Scott. Lumawag. Palpal. Babagay. Carmona. Kalilong. No good. Rebound. 2 points. Jepox. (51-61). Shot out kay Armado. Pops up. Tan, no good. Rebound. Scott. Mamadali. Scott. Nawala na naman ang bola. 2 points. Shot kay Armando Flores from Evna Alawe. Escobedo for 3. No good. Scott 2 points. 10. Up! Ano yun? Okay, medyo talaga, no? 10 lang po yan, 8 minutes remaining. Jepox, binabantayan si Canton. Na lumawag again. Canton. Binabantayan. Canton nakalusot. 2 points Canton. Scott yung mamadirek. Scott. Malakas. And to Tan. Tan, zigzagging way. Wala. Nako ni babagay ang bola. Babagay. 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 2 points babagay. 8. 10 mali. 10 mali. 10. Tan, running shot. Malakas. Lumawag. And 1 pa ang binigay. Lumawag. Shooting for the bonus streak. Okay, number 15 para kay Roldan. Quality game kay Roldan. Matayas pumasok kay Roldan. So okay, salud naman para kay Mr. Kalilong. Kalaan na ng mga rebounders. Ang pasok ng rebounder yun ang Airport United. And now pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul.
Foul number 8.
Foul number 8 again. Lumawag. Thinking 3. Nope, it's Tan. Tan. Driving strong. Scott called for the foul. Blocking foul called. Tan shooting for 2.
Foul number 27. Foul personal foul number 27.
Again. Pops up. It's in. Back again muli po to 13 points ang lamang ng CAS. Second shot. Jumpers ready. No good. Rebound. Lumawag na naman. Nakuha ni Salud ang bola. Scott for 3. No good. Rebound. Salud. Salud. 2 points Salud. 11 kalamang. 11. 6 minutes 39 remaining. Matayas. Tan. Nagmadre. Tan. Now lumawag. Kanton again. Zigzagging this way. Matayas. No good. Nandun si number 4. Kapos. Oh, the loose ball now. Carmona. Jepox. Babagay. No good. And kay Lumawag. 2 points na yan. Easy to na kay Lumawag. And timeout called by Airport United. Sa amin ni Brantes, walang sound po. Walang box out. Ano sound? Labing 5 na naman. Kaya pag-day na sila at 15. Pinako siya sa 15. Gandun na lang siya. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Nababagay na for the inbound. All the second chance points na also been coded na para kay Lungkar, para kay Lumawag. Ilaw. Scott. Ilaw. Salud. Wala pa rin. Salud. 2 points. Salud. 59-7 din 13. Sampulan niya. Magtano lang yan. 3 points na yan. Anton. JS. 5 minutes 6 remaining. 5 minutes 3 remaining. 5 minutes. Time for 3. Nope. Rebound Scooby-Doo, Scott. Scott, yung mamila, Scott. Foul! Serrano called for the foul.
Foul number 63, second personal foul for the Philippines.
Serrano called for the foul. Second pa lang yan ni Serrano. Scott shooting for free for 2. Scott shooting for 2 po tayo. Bawal mapagod, sabi ni Barantes. Okay, Scott, first shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready. For 11 points. Pops up. Okay, basket made. 4 minutes 47 remaining. Canton, babagay, binabati si JS. Canton, 3 points Canton. Again, balik muli po sa 14 ang alamangan. Babagay. Salud. Palpal. Matayas. JS. 2 points. Babagay. Scott. Scooby-Doo, 2 points, Scooby-Doo. 14 muli po ang kalamangan. JS. Lobat ang microphone. Tan, nakawala. Tan. No good. Rebound, di babaga. Scott naman. Scott. Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. Scott. Matayas. 65-77. Labing dalawa. 3 minutes 25 remaining. Canton. 5 fade away again. No good. Rebound. Ilaw. Salud. 2 points Salud. 10. And time out called by Cass. Rocamora sensing some... Si Coach Rocamora sensing some rally po. Rally called. Rally already been made by Airport United. And looking to quell the rally now by Airport United. 67-77 at 3 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter action. Sabi ni Barantes, pag-isigawan ng Airport United, Kuya Martin, ha. Pressure defense na rin kailangan i-apply. Canton, Rivera. Oh, nasa labas ka. JS. Against Ilaw. 2 minutes 53 remaining. JS. And now to Tan. Power move. Wala na. Shot clock violation. Okay, chance now again to bring down the lead to 8 points para kay Airport United. Salud. Ilaw. Julius Babagay. Scott. For 3. 3-second violation is Scooby-Doo. Okay, now Cass now looking now to dislodge now Airport United. JS. 2 minutes 20 remaining. Against Ilaw. Labas muna, umayos. 2 minutes 12 remaining. Okay, white ball. Ibabaan nyo pa daw. Same ball. Scott. Nakuha. Same ball. Okay, karton. Labas muna para kay Tan. 40 minutes para kay Tan. And timeout called by Airport United. Oh, yeah, shoutout to. Yan, oh, shoutout. Oh, in flights. Okay, minute 54 remaining. Okay, back to the ball game. Nako, nawala ang score. Okay, tinimbang. Nabura yung score kasi. Teka lang ha. Shoutout po. Sabi ni Mark Lopez, shoutout Fight Club. Brad Pitt yun. $77. 77. Okay. Okay, balik tayo sa laro. 1 minute 56 remaining. Okay, ito na. Salud. 2 points salud. 8. Walo. Matayas. Foul! Escobedo. Matayas. First shot. It's out. Rebound to Salud. Babagay for 3. No good. Foul. Jepox. Okay, thank you. We're now looking now for the cast inside the championship. Yung kanilang natapos din. Cass, number 9 inbounding. Cass now looking now to win the game already at 1 minute 34 remaining. 10 points lead still. Rivera, Matayas, Canton, Justin, double team. Number 9, Rivera, malakas. Matayas, 1 minute 13 remaining. Salud. Scott. 2 points Scott. 8. Scott, binabantayan. 2 points. Scott. Salud. Wala pa rin. Last stats, yes. 33 cents remaining. Shepox. 3 points, Shepox. $28 seconds remaining. Carmona, Canton foul, Colin Carmona. Okay, Canton shooting for 2. No good. Second shot. Pops up. Kapos. Kalilong. $20 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it. I believe so. Foul! Okay, Cass now looking now to win the game. And first seat is being booked now in the name of Cass sa championship. Rebound Kalilong. Nakuha pa. And that's it. Uy! That's it. Final score 74-83. A 9-point lead win. And welcome to the finals, Team Cass. Okay, Team Cass. Picture. Okay, welcome to the finals, Team Cass. And kudos po sa Airport United for giving a good game. Okay, sabi si Samson Gabi, congrats sa mga Lodi, good game. Okay. Kaya na may official photo, ito video kasi to. Paki-balance po, sir. Paki-balance po. Kabila oh, kabila. Lumawag sa kabila ka. Thank you. Jess, si number 9. Okay, ito po ang Team Cass booking na the first final seat sa third season. Aviation friendly dub as a flying league. Third season na po yan. Okay, ito official photo. Okay, POG. Sino POG po? POG. Who's a POG?
Number 3.
Number 3, Canton. Number 3, Canton. Canton, number 3. Okay. Okay, Canton. Sa back na lang po. Canton, congratulations and welcome to the finals.
Thank you.
Coach Rocomora, sama po kayo dito, Coach. Okay na, ayaw niya. Okay, Coach, okay, Canton, anywhere po, sir, and what your thoughts right now for the championship, sir? Well, first of all, welcome pala po sa championship pala. You booked na the first seat doon sa finals po. Sige, sir.
Masaya syempre kasi unang-una, this is the beauty of the game.
Yes,
Kalaban
yes.
namin is talagang malalakas yun. Twice to beat, back-to-back champions sila, kaya pinagandaan talaga namin.
Okay.
And yeah, masaya lang.
Eh, isa pa, nagsimula kayo mag-trap nung second quarter yata eh. Second quarter. Paano nyo natagaling yung trap nyo para sa kanila? Kaya nakuha nyo sa wakat yung lamang.
Adjustments lang kasi ma-observe namin wala silang ball handling na solid. Magaling yung chemistry nila, pero when it comes to ball handling,
Medyo dun sila naglalak
na-figure out ni coach na kailangan nila.
Kaya nag-trap na sila. Okay, anyway po sir. Sige po sir. 1 minute. Shoutout po sir. Sige po.
Thank you so much sa
Lakas,
mga
lakas.
nanonood, sa mga tropa ko. Congrats po sa nakalaban namin ni Airport United. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And again
Shoutout
po,
sa
welcome ulit po sa CAS
Thank you.
for booking the first final seat po ng third season. Elevation for the bus supply. O, Roldan, salita ka naman. Sige. Roldan. Anyway po, sir.
Nice game.
Okay?
Good luck sa finals. Thank you, Sir Arvin, for the coverage.
Kaya walang problema, sir. Walang problema. Thank you po, sir. Tingin rin po. Okay. Ormado, marami sasabihin niya, tiyak.
Marami yan.
Oh, sige, magsalita ka na.
Ibis, bakit natalo? Hindi natulog kagabi.
Ayun nga lang. Yun lang. Okay.
Nagsiso na lang, Ibis.
Thank you po, sir. Sige, and isa. Yung kanina big man.
Mashallah, alhamdulillah.
Okay, sige po, sir. Sige po. Anyway po, sir.
Shout out sa lahat. Alhamdulillah na nanalo namin.
Okay, welcome to the finals po muli po. And this po ang Airport United. This for the cast now and the booking now the first final seat po sa kanilang laro. Maraming salamat po and be back po tayo for second final semifinals game between In-Flights and of course ang Extreme Bowlers. Maraming salamat po sir. Kawin na po sir.
Ayan.
Thank you. Good luck sir ha.